What do you think? What physical asset do you have that should make you win Binibining Pilipinas?
The question of Miss Universe 1969 Gloria Diaz ay, what is your best physical asset that you can use it in order to win Binibining Pilipinas? So, para sa akin, ito naman yung sagot ko. And this is my answer. My best asset, physical asset, is my mouth. Why? It's because it is the symbol of happiness. I can make people happy, and at the same time, I can make them feel what climax feels like. And not only that, I can make people laugh, I can make people experience the best climax in their life. So, I can demonstrate how to make people happy. So, I'll transform my mouth into a washing machine. So, have you seen a washing machine mouth? It is like this. So it does not only give you climax, but also it can give you a humorous experience that you never experienced it before. Obviously, that is just a joke, so I am very sorry. But eto na ang ating serious answer. So sana wag niyo po akong lalaitin. My best physical asset in order to win Binibining Pilipinas is my mouth. Why? It's because there are three things to consider. Number one is physicality. When I smile to people, I am showing them good vibes and positive impression that could signal future partnerships or future positive endeavors. Number two is showing them my ideas. So it's all about intellectual perspectives that I can show to the world, not only as a Binibini Pilipinas candidate. One example is to share awareness regarding discrimination and bullying against LGBT community as part of my advocacy. So I can share my skills in addition and talents on how to improve my advocacy while sharing it to the rest of the world. And number three is using my mouth is an important tool for me to show or to express what I feel, to show my personality, so that people know the good side and the bad side of my character. So these are my three best assets or three best factors why I chose my mouth. Ay nako, grabe. Ang hirap talagang sumagot sa Q&A. Kaya it is always important na mag-rehearse ng mag-rehearse kapag sumasali ka sa pageant, especially kapag national pageant na yan or even regional pageant kasi it is already a part of our culture dito sa Pilipinas na ang daming pageants in just a span of 1 year, mapa-local, regional, pang-barangay o kaya in a national level. So, I do understand kung bakit yung mga ibang candidates are nasa-stutter, nagkakaroon ng mental block. Kasi iba talaga kapag candidate ka, iba talaga yung feeling kapag nasa entablado ka na pinapanood ka ng maraming viewers. So especially sa Binibining Pilipinas, we are talking about millions of viewers, not only Filipino audiences, no, but international beauty pageant fans na pinapanood ang Binibining Pilipinas every year. So, naiintindihan ko kung bakit yung iba parang nasa-challenge talaga. Tapos, ang number two is yung time. Dapat nililimit yung answer mo in a span of 30 seconds. So, may limit talaga yan. So, isa yan sa mga challenge kapag sumasagot ka sa Q&A. So, napansin niyo naman siguro, umabot ng 1 minute and 20 seconds yung answer ko. So, grabe, lagpas na yon and may deduction na kapag lumagpas ka sa sagot. Kaya, importante rin na keep it short and simple yung mga sagot nyo, yung acronym na KISS. So, I'm not sure kung aware kayo sa acronym na KISS kapag sumasagot kayo sa mga question and answers. Oo nga pala, I am very sorry. Hindi ako nakapag-upload like every day. It's because ongoing na kasi yung intensive na pagbabasa ko hanggang October. So, expect na nag-upload na lang ako ng 2 to 3 videos per week or even 1 video per week. Ganun ako kabisi ngayon. Siguro pagkatapos na tong lahat ng ginagawa ko, back to normal na naman. Mag-upload ulit ako ng 1 to 2 videos per day pagdating sa bare months. So, pagpasensyahan nyo na, pero at least mag-upload pa rin ako ng mga pictures from time to time. And yes, maglalaylo lang tayo ng ilang buwan. Pero message me lang. And of course, kapag nagustuhan niyo yung mga contents ko, follow me sa ating Instagram account, The Story of Anthony. And even din sa YouTube, my TikTok, my Threads, and Twitter. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I hope na naintindihan niyo ako. And always remember to be positive. So ingat palagi and God bless.